Dear students, in this session we see few examples in vector, then we will see the concepts in three-dimensional geometry. In a triangle ABC, points on the sides BC and AC respectively. Such that BD equal to DC on AE equal to 3EC. Let P be the point of intersection of AD and BE. Find PP by BE. So you can consider a numerical type question. A of A vector, B of B vector. D. C. You can consider this as origin. Let C be the origin. Position vector of vertices of A and B be A vector and B vector respectively. BD equal to 2DC, that is given, which means that DC equal to 1 by 3 of BC. Which implies P means position vector of D equal to CD vector equal to 1 by 3 of B vector. So since it's the origin, CD vector is the position vector of D. Like that, AE equal to 3 EC, which implies EC equal to 1 by 4 AC. Position vector of E equal to C vector, that is 1 by 4 into A vector. So position of D, that is 1 by 3 into B. This is 1 by 4 into A. Let's P divides BE in the ratio lambda is to 1 internally. Therefore, OP vector equal to, or position vector of P equal to lambda into position vector of E, that is lambda into 1 by 4 A vector plus 1 into this point, 1 into B vector by lambda plus 1, which means lambda A vector plus 4 B vector divided by 4 into lambda plus 1. 4 into lambda plus 1 equal to lambda A vector plus 4 B vector divided by 4 lambda plus 4. Let P divides AD in the ratio mu is to 1 internally. Position of P mu into by mu plus 1, that is mu b plus 3a vector by 3 into mu plus 1, mu b 3a vector by 3 mu plus 3. Therefore, in the first case, this is the position of P. The second case, this is the position of P. They should be the same. Therefore, lambda a vector plus 4a vector divided by 4 lambda plus 4 should be equal to mu b vector plus 3a vector by 3 mu plus 3. Which implies 3 mu plus 3 into lambda b vector plus 4 a vector equal to 4 lambda plus 4 into mu b plus 3a, which implies three mu lambda b vector 12 mu a vector 3 lambda b vector plus 12 a vector equal to 4 lambda mu b vector four mu b vector 12 lambda a vector plus 12 a vector. So 12 a vector will be cancelled. Here lambda b we did a mistake here. 4b 3a mu b by 3b is okay. Here we have lambda a plus 4b by 4 lambda plus 4. We have written wrongly. The first result we did lambda a plus 4b by 4 lambda plus 4. Here mu b plus 3a by mu b plus 3. Therefore 3 mu plus 3 into lambda a vector plus 4 4b vector equal to mu b vector plus 3a vector into 4 lambda plus mu. 3 lambda mu 3 lambda mu a vector plus 12 mu 12 mu b vector 3 into 4 12 lambda into mu lambda here a vector. If you multiply 3 into 4 12 mu b vector plus 3 lambda a vector plus 12 b vector is equal to multiply this 4 mu lambda b vector 4 into 3 12 lambda a vector four mu lambda b vector 4 into 3 12 lambda b vector then 4 mu b vector plus 12 a vector. Keep a vector one side, b vector another side. 3 lambda mu a vector left hand side plus 3 lambda a vector left hand side. Bring a vector minus 12 lambda a vector left hand side minus 12 a vector left hand side equal to here 4 mu lambda b vector 4 mu b vector again minus 12 mu b vector minus 12 b vector. Bring a vector one side and b vector on the other side. 3 lambda mu a vector 3 lambda a vector minus 9 lambda a vector minus 12 a vector equal to 4 mu lambda b vector minus 8 mu b vector minus 12 b vector. 3 lambda mu minus 9 lambda minus 12 into a vector equal to 4 mu lambda minus 8 mu minus 12 into b vector. A vector, B vector or non-collinear vectors. If they are collinear, one vector equal to scalar into this is scalar, this is scalar. If two vectors are collinear, then we can say one vector is scalar into another vector. So A vector is in the here OA equal CA equal to A vector, CB equal to B vector. This is non-collinear vectors. Therefore, comparing both sides, here we have A vector, here we do not have A vector. So that this term should be equal to 0, which means 3 lambda mu minus 9 lambda minus 12 equal to 0. And here we have B vector, here we do not have B vector. So 4 mu lambda minus 8 mu minus 12 equal to 0 vector. One minus 2 gives 3 lambda u, 4 lambda u. So minus mu lambda minus 9 lambda plus 8 mu. This will be cancelled 0. Or we can simplify. You divide this by 3. 3 lambda mu minus 9 lambda minus 12 equal to 0, which implies lambda mu minus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Let it be 1. 4 mu lambda minus 8 mu minus 12 equal to 0, which implies mu lambda minus 2 mu minus 3 equal to 0. Divided by 4. Or divided by 4, you will get this. So lambda mu minus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Lambda mu minus 2 mu minus 3 equal to 0. Subtracting, this will be cancelled. So minus 3 lambda plus 2 mu minus 1 equal to 0. 2 mu equal to 3 lambda plus 1. Mu equal to 3 lambda plus 1 by 2. You take first equation, lambda mu minus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0, which implies lambda into, in place of mu you can write 3 lambda plus 1 by 2 minus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. So 3 lambda squared, lambda into 3, 3 lambda squared plus lambda minus 6 lambda minus 8 equal to 0. So 3 lambda squared minus 5 lambda minus 8 equal to 0. So we have to factorize 3 into minus 8, that is minus 24. Minus 8 into 3 minus 24, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Minus 8 by 3 3 by 3, this is equal to 1. So 3 lambda minus 8 into lambda plus 1 equal 0. Fifth fact is this. 3 lambda minus 8 equal 0, lambda plus 1 equal 0. Lambda equal to 8 by 3, lambda equal to minus 1. Which is impossible. If lambda equal to minus 1, lambda plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal 0, which is not possible. So lambda we should not take. We should not take lambda equal to minus 1. Therefore lambda equal to 8 by 3. So BP by BE we have to find, that is BP means this portion lambda by 1, that is 8 by 3 by 1. So 8 by 3 is the answer. If we ask a numerical type, 8, 3, 2 times 6, remainder 2, you take 0, 6 times 18, 2, 6 times 18. So you have to write 2.66 or 2.67. 6 will be going on continued. So you can write 2.67. If the pith, qth, orth of a GP are positive numbers, A, B, C respectively, then find the angle between vectors log A squared I plus log B squared J plus log C squared vector and Q minus R into I plus R minus P into J plus P minus Q into K vector. Opts are pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4 and none of this. Let's alpha vector equal to log a squared I plus log b squared j plus log c squared k. Beta vector equal to q minus r into I, r minus b into j, p minus q into k. Let capital A be the first term and x be the common ratio of GP. So A equal to fifth term plus equal to A equal to A r power n minus 1, A r power n minus 1, that is p minus 1, A equal to x power p minus 1, which implies taking log on both sides, log A equal to log A x power p minus 1, which is equal to log A plus log x power p minus 1, that is log A plus p minus 1 to log x. Log A equal capital log A plus p minus 1 into log x. Similarly, b equal to qth term, A x power q minus 1. If you proceed like this, you have log b equal to capital log A, log capital A plus q minus 1 into log x. C equal to A x power r minus 1, which implies log C equal to log A plus r minus 1 into log x. So log A equal to capital log A plus p minus 1 into log x. Alpha vector dot beta vector. Want to find angle between alpha and beta. So cos theta equal to alpha vector dot beta vector by modulus alpha into modulus beta. First you find alpha dot beta. So log A means log A squared into q minus r plus log b squared into r minus b plus log c squared into p minus q. 2 log a into q minus r, 2 log b into r minus p, 2 log c into p minus q. So alpha vector dot beta vector equal to 2 into q minus r into, in place of log a we have log a plus p minus 1 into log x plus 2 into r minus p into, in place of log b we have log a plus q minus 1 into log x plus twice p minus q into, instead of log c you can write log a plus r minus 1 into log x. You can take 2 log a, 2 into log a, 2 into log a, 2 into log a in common. We have q minus r plus r minus a plus p minus q, like that. Two log x in common. Here q minus r into p minus 1 plus here r minus p into q minus 1 plus p minus q into r minus 1 plus q minus r plus r, this will be 0. So this is 0, so 0 plus 2 log x pq minus pr minus q plus r, qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pr minus p minus qr plus q plus pq minus pq minus pr plus pr minus q plus q plus r minus r plus p minus p plus qr minus qr equal to 0. Alpha vector dot beta vector equal to 0, which implies alpha vector perpendicular beta vector. Since alpha vector dot b vector equals 0, alpha perpendicular to b vector. Therefore, angle between alpha and beta is 90 degree. So, option A is correct. Let the unit vectors A vector and B vector are perpendicular to each other and the unit vector C vector be inclined to an angle theta to both A vector and B vector. If C vector equal to x A vector plus y B vector plus z into A vector cross B vector then find x comma y comma z. X equal to cos theta. First option x equal to y equal to cos theta, z square equal to cos 2 theta. Second option x equal to y equal to cos theta, z square equal to minus cos 2 theta. Third option x cos theta, y sin theta, z square equal to cos 2 theta. X equal to sin theta, y equal to cos theta, z square equal to minus cos 2 theta. So we have C vector equal to x a vector plus y b vector z into a vector cross b vector. That is what. A vector perpendicular b vector, which implies a vector dot b vector equal to 0. C vector dot a vector equal to x a vector plus y b vector plus z into a vector cross b vector dot a vector x into the also given modulus a vector equal to modulus b vector equal to 1. Modulus c vector also equal to 1. They are unit vectors. So x into a vector dot a vector plus y into b vector dot a vector plus z into a vector cross b vector dot a vector. X into 1 0, scalar to two vectors are equal. The answer is 0. So modulus c vector modulus a vector into cos theta equal to x, which implies 1 into 1 into cos theta equal to x. X equal to cos theta. Next you take c vector dot b vector. Here take dot b vector. So we have found x equal to cos theta. So a vector dot b vector, b vector dot b vector, a cross b dot b vector. So this is 0, this is 1, plus we have 0. So modulus c vector modulus b vector cos theta equal to y, which implies 1 1 cos theta equal to y, which implies y equal to cos theta. So x equal to cos theta, y also cos theta. Next, c vector dot c vector. Here dot c vector, that is modulus c vector squared. That is this is c vector. C1 c equal to modulus c vector square equal to 1. That is x a vector plus y b vector plus z into a vector cross b vector dot x a vector plus y b vector z equal to 1. So a dot a, answer 1, so at x squared. A dot b 0, a dot a cross b 0, then you take b vector. B dot a 0, b dot b squared 1, so that we have y squared. B dot a cross b 0 plus A cross B dot A, answer 0. A cross B dot B, we have 2 equal to answer 0. A cross B dot A cross B. So Z squared A cross B the whole square. Modulus of equal to 1. So x equal to y equal to cos theta. So x squared plus x squared plus z squared into modulus A vector modulus B vector. Since A and B are perpendicular, angle 90 degree whole square. So 2x squared plus z squared 1 1 1 equal to 1. Two x squared plus z squared equal to 1. Z squared equal to 1 minus 2x squared. 1 minus 2 cos square theta minus of 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is z square equal to minus cos 2 theta. So x equal to y equal to cos theta, z square equal to minus cos 2 theta. So option B is correct. So A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus A vector equal to twice A vector, B vector, C vector. You have to remember this as a result. Like that, A cross B, B vector cross C vector, C vector cross A vector equal to A vector, B vector, C vector the whole square. You have to remember these results. If Q vector is perpendicular to A vector and U vector dot B vector equal to 24. Let U vector be a vector coplanar with the vectors A vector equal to 2i plus 3j minus k, and B vector equal to j vector plus k vector. If U vector is perpendicular to A vector, and U vector dot B vector equal to 24, then what is value of modulus U squared? Option A 84, 336, 315, that is 256. So let U vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk. U vector, A vector, B vector are coplanar. Which implies U vector, A vector, B vector equal to 0. X, Y, Z two, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 1 equal to 0. Which implies x into 3 plus 1 minus y into 2 z into 2 equal to 0. That is 4x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 0, which implies 2x minus y plus z equal to 0. U vector perpendicular to A vector, which means U vector dot A vector equal to 0, that is xi yj plus zk dot A vector two y plus 3j minus k vector equal to 0. Two x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus z equal 0. U vector dot b vector equal to 24, which implies xi plus yj plus zk dot b vector, that is j vector plus k vector equal to 24. Which implies y plus z equal to 24. So we have to solve all these three. Find the value of x, y, z. Two x minus y plus z equal 0. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 0. Subtracting minus 4y plus 2z 0 minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Here we have y plus z equal 24 minus 2y plus z equal 0. You subtract. So 3y equal to 24, which implies y equal to 8. Y plus z equal to 24, 8 plus z equal to 24. So z equal to 16. So 2x minus y plus z equal 0. 2x minus y, that is minus 8 plus z plus 16 equal 0. 2x equal to minus 8 plus 8 minus 8, x equal to minus 4. So x equal to minus 4, y equal to 8, z equal to 16. So r vector equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector. X r vector equal to minus 4i plus 8j plus 16k. Sorry, u vector equal to modulus u vector 16 plus 64 plus 256, 336. We need modulus u vector squared, that is 336. So option B is correct. So J main so 2018 question. online paper. So we will discuss next concept next session. Thank you.